Let's put our hands together. Thank you very much. Mr. Gugun, kindly you can be here.
We have something special for you, Mr. Gugun, to be presented to the Minister of Religious Affairs as well. I would like to give the mic to Pastor Rudy to explain what we have today.
Bapak Gugun, we have a similar practice between Muslim and Adventist. In terms of food, we abstain from the haram food. So all of us, if you treat us and if I treat you, we will eat the same food, which is halal. We abstain with the haram food. We didn't eat pork, we didn't smoke, drink coffee and alcohol as well. So we are guided by this book. This book is genuinely produced by Adventist Indonesia Publishing House. So we proudly present to you. Please receive it as a token of love. Agak berat, biarlah mereka yang memegang.
It's very heavy, about 7 kilos to 10 kilos.
Agak berat soalnya.
Let's take a picture. And one more plate to the Minister